It's Halloween! Did you know I was recording?
I was just about to say Happy Halloween, and then I hear you in the background.
It's Halloween! It's exactly 6:06 Halloween evening, and we're just going to the grocery store to get some candy because we're procrastinators. I was gonna say procrastination, but that's not a verb. Wait. What is the thing that describes another one?
Adjective.
Adjective.
And you used to take AP.
Wow, it's been a long time since I've been in school, guys. Stay in school. Yeah. So we're going to go get some candy.
If there's any left.
Hopefully there's some left. Okay, definitely need to get this one.
There's actually a lot of candy.
I know. Definitely all chocolate. I don't see the point in buying anything that's like not chocolate. I remember going like trick-or-treating when I was little, and if you get something that's not chocolate, you just get so disappointed. Like, who wants gum? Like, Happy Halloween, here's some gum.
So we got more than candy. Are we gonna hand out bananas?
No, but I figured we're here, we might as well get some groceries. So we were gonna be mean and get like the little, what did you say, the little boxes of raisins?
Yeah.
Pass those out for candy. That'd be so mean.
What do you mean?
You ready? Yep. It's already getting dark. We need to hurry. They bought a lot of beers. If you could see them. It's like almost 2 carts of beers. How much partying are you doing? Do you like your costume? All right, I got my hat. We got our candy. We're ready to pass out some candy. And
Ready to pass out some
candy.
This feels like a summer night.
Yeah, it does. It feels really nice out right now.
I mean, it's nice, but it's not like Halloween.
Yeah.
When you think of Halloween, think of like fog. Are you just focusing on the...
No, yeah, I'm honestly not even listening to you. I'm just looking at your cat whiskers. They're cute. I can't believe you let me do that.
Well, you didn't give me much choice.
I am a witch, and he's my little kitty cat.
Oh yeah, witch and cat. Got that.
Well, because witches are supposed to have black cats, and I have a white dog, so it doesn't really, although the irony kind of is funny, but...
Yeah.
People. I just want the Reese's peanut butter cups. Except I'm gonna take the wrapper off of it this time.
Yeah.
I just ate one and I took the foil part off, but the like brown paper wrapping, I left it on and I started chewing on it and I'm like, this has a really weird texture. And yeah, I still have little paper pieces in my throat. What did you just say, John?
I was about to say Merry Christmas. Wow, apparently, yeah.
Apparently, yeah. Apparently you don't have words right now.
I didn't think I was like really feeling Christmas quite yet, but apparently I am. Apparently I'm ready for Christmas.
We still have a lot of candy. Oh my god! You just scared the crap out of me, you jerk! Oh god, okay. Sit. She's like, please don't put that on me. Oh look! Look at your face. She looks pretty miserable.
She's like, when can this be over?
Hold on. Just stay. Oh, you're so good, Ginger. Well, that ended up being a lot busier than we had anticipated. We went through that candy really fast, and we bought 2 pretty big sized bags. Yeah, we went through those really fast, and that was a lot of fun. Although John scared the crap out of me when he like put his hand in the candy, but anyways, well, thank you guys for watching this vlog. We really didn't do a whole lot this Halloween, just obviously passed out candy.
because I worked and so did he. But hope you guys had a great Halloween, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye!
Ginger, help me pass out some candy.